In today's video, I want us to talk about how to properly use a beard oil and how it works. Beard oil is easy to apply to your beard. If you have a very short beard like mine, you can even use your hands. Most beard growth oil comes with an eyedropper. If you are using something different from an eyedropper or a lid, you can figure it out. However, here's how beard oil is generally applied. First things first,
apply 2 or 3 drops of beard oil in your palm and rub your hands together to spread the oil around your palms and fingers. Rub your palms and fingers across the hair on your cheeks. Next, rub your hands down the front of your face so that it covers your mustache and chin. Go over your mustache again with your fingertips. You may need more oil later, but it's better to start with a small dose to avoid making your beard too greasy. The best time to apply beard oil is after washing your face or taking a hot shower, when your hair and face are clean. Before applying the oil, dry your beard with a towel so that it's damp but not wet. Use your comb or a brush to actually spread the beard oil evenly to all the parts where it's supposed to reach. You likely don't need to apply beard oil every day. You can start by applying it every other day and adjust as needed. If you live in a particular dry climate or have a longer beard, you may need to apply more often. If you notice your beard feels greasy, you can cut back how often you apply your oil.
drop 3 or 5 drops of beard oil on your palms, then you rub your palms together and you massage your cheeks, all the areas where you want your beard to grow. How often you apply beard oil to your face, it's up to you, but one thing you should know is that you should only put the right amount of beard oil so that it should not look greasy. There are a lot of benefits of using this beard oil. This is a beast. It works like magic, gentlemen. It gives your beard that shine texture. You know, guys, this stuff is very cheap. If you want something like this, I'll leave the links down below in the description. Go and grab one for yourself because this stuff is very, very cheap, very affordable. Grab one for yourself. You can afford this. Thank you for watching and I hope I'll see you in the next video.